The Jensen Nova stands as one of the most intriguing one-off prototypes in automotive history, born from international collaboration and corporate maneuvering in the mid-1960s. This striking two-seater fastback represents the convergence of British engineering, Italian craftsmanship, and American power. In 1965, Jensen Motors sought a CV8 replacement. Design manager Kevin Beatty approached three Italian coach builders, Gia, Superleggera Touring, and Vignale. Gia declined due to Chrysler commitments, while Vignale submitted a conventional design reminiscent of the Maserati Mexico. Jensen favored Touring's dramatic proposal, but doubted the financially troubled Milan firm's delivery capability. Jensen purchased Touring's design outright, removed their marks, and presented it to Vignale as their preferred direction. Alfredo Vignale, recognizing the opportunity, remained silent about the design's origins and secured the contract. Within 4 months, Vignale delivered a prototype combining the CV8 chassis with the new body, birthing the Jensen Interceptor. By October 1966, dissatisfied with finish quality and financial concerns, Jensen terminated the Vignale contract and transferred production to Britain. Undeterred, Vignale pursued his own vision. Having requested a left-hand drive chassis in 1966, he received chassis JM, EXP, and 117 in October, a specially modified platform with shortened wheelbase, Chrysler 383 V8 engine, and 4-speed manual transmission. Vignale's design featured lowered engine mounts for a sleeker bonnet line and electrically operated retractable headlights. The completed Nova debuted in February 1967, finished in dark metallic green with black roof panel and unusual beige-black interior. The bodywork combined aluminum and fiberglass with elaborate stainless steel integral finishing, replacing traditional bumpers. Campagnolo alloy wheels and metallic green sill covers completed the aesthetic. The Nova premiered at the 1967 Geneva Motor Show on Vignale's stand. Immediately afterward, Vignale modified the car, respraying it off-white cream, retrimming it in red leather, and revising the rear styling. Jensen Interceptor-style stainless steel sill covers were added before the Turin Motor Show debut in April 1967. By November 1967, the Nova was sold to Monsieur Ledouche of Société France Motors, the French Jensen distributor. A December 7, 1967, Jensen Motors letter explicitly stated the car carried no manufacturer's warranty. The Jensen Nova survives today in France, representing a unique chapter where corporate politics, design rivalry, and individual determination converge to create a singular masterpiece, bridging British heritage with Italian artistry.